About it, huh? What about it? Huh? What? What about it, Max? Can you tell me? Yeah, can you tell me about it? Huh? Huh? What about it? What? Okay. Not a lot to tell on that one. That was an inside joke.
This is Max, and he's 10 weeks old now. He's a biggin. 11 pounds, 10 ounces, 23 inches long.
Get fired up. Are you getting fired up?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy.
He gets all excited when Mike does that.
Yeah. It's a big deal, isn't it? Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's a big deal. Oh yeah. See? Yeah. Big deal.
Get him, Max. Get him.
It's all
He's
good.
getting tired.
It's all good, isn't it,
Say
Max?
bye-bye.